Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. What's up, grateful gang? Thank you for joining me. On this channel we do budgeting as well as I'm on my journey to first time home ownership. If any of that interests you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you like it, as well as hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Yes, I'm so excited. I feel like I literally have waited all month to go ahead and stuff this. What I've been doing with one of my challenges is any money I have left over from my cash envelopes, I'm using to stuff my humble home binder. This humble home binder idea was given to me by Tamika, Grateful Gang OG. And this idea was given to me by Tamika, sort of, because I got it from Budget and Treasures, whose information will be linked up in the cards. But Tamika's the one who sent me over there to check her out. So this is, I think that Budgeting Treasures is called her homework series. So this is just my humble home binder that I'm so excited to be able to stuff like a month later. I just got it started at the beginning of the year and just put 20 bucks in it in each envelope just to get them going. And now we're able to stuff some more. So let's just revisit how much I have saved. I've been keeping a running total of the amount here, not running total, the amount of money here as I've been saving it throughout the month. So let's see how much we have. Ooh, but there's a lot of ones, and I love a one. I feel like people be like they don't like ones, y'all. I love a one, okay? 20, 40, 60, 80. 80, 100. They're getting kind of stuck. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. Come on, 300, come on. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. That's crispy. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. So $386 total. So let's just, usually I only have 20s and 10s. The reason I don't have any 5s. That's interesting. The reasons that I have 1s is because this is, like I said, leftover money from cash envelopes. So I was able to save $386 minus, I think, 160 or 180 from what I took out of my stimulus check. All right, y'all, so let's get the stuff in. I did figure it out off camera. It's a hot mess what each one is gonna get, and I pre-filled everything out except for the last envelope because I just didn't figure out how much the last envelope gets. And let's get started. So startup, if you don't know, it's just for the starting up of my bills. If there's any like water connection fees, any startup fees, and if I don't end up having any of those, I could probably just deposit it back and just use it for the first couple bills. So startup, I'm trying to save $500. We only have 20 in here, and I've decided to save 60 in here this time. 20, 40, 50, 60. This ain't gonna work, bro. You're gonna have to just, y'all got to go over here. Y'all got to go over here. I need room. Okay. 20, 40, see? Look, see? This is why. This is exactly why. 20, 40, 50, 60. So $60 is now gonna be in lies. You see what happens? You see what happens when you fussing with money? There is already 20. We're adding 60. We should have 80. I've already filled this out. I hope you guys can see that. Okay, so we're really supposed to have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. Jesus. So now we have 80 in startup. Most of these are going to have 80 because the top 4. So the top 4 our startup, inspection, food, and tidy up. So inspection has, we want to get to 500. We only have 20. We're adding 60 today. 20, 40, 50, 60. So altogether we'll have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. We'll have $80 altogether. Next we have food. Food has, everything has 20. Food has 20. We're adding 60 to food because you know your girl need to eat. Okay. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now food has $80 in it. Next, we have tidying up, which is the last of the fabulous 4 that we need to stuff as soon as possible. This is just for cleaning. It has 500, but that is also including a vacuum, which I realized I have one, so that might have to be, you know, it is what it is. But for now, it's getting 60, 20, 40. Ooh, some of these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And another 10. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So now we have $80 in this envelope. And if y'all know me, I like to have my smaller bills on top. I know it's weird. Okay, and next we have kitchen. So kitchen is going to be for, like, you know, pots, pans, utensils. We're going to add 30. There's already $20 in here. Let's take the 30 out first so I don't get confused. 20. Let's do some of those ones. 1, 2, 3. Should I? No, let's just 10, 30. 20, 30. Child, I can't count. It's late. I'm sorry, y'all. So we should have a total of 50. 20, 40, 50. Perfect. Kitchen and Google. Google is just for smart home items. Like, I'd like to buy the Google Nest and a home system and the ring, like a doorbell and all that. It currently has 20. We're adding 30 to this as well. 20, 30. So 20 plus additional 30 should be 50. 20, 40, 50. Can't wait till these start getting big. We're trying to save $800 in this category. Sorry, I didn't tell y'all that. Then our next cash envelope is at home, which is just home decor. We're trying to save $400 just for curtain rods, curtains, just any home design stuff to help us out. Lamps, you know, fake flowers. This has 20. We're adding 30. Let me add a 10. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Look at that crispy one. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 10 here and a 20. So 30 plus the 20 we already had is 50. 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, and then we have furnish, which is for furniture. Girl, we gotta get to $1,500. We okay. So we have 20 in there. We're gonna add 30 today, a 20 and a 10. And we already have, I believe, 2 10s in here. 20, 30, 40, 50 for a total of now $50. And a long way to go in this envelope. And we're already about to start looking at houses, child. Good thing we got a bedroom set already. This is really for like the couch and maybe a dining room table if we lucky. Reno. Reno is the one that I don't have anything written for it yet because I don't know what's left. Reno's getting whatever is left. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So Reno is going to get $26. Oh, Reno has $21. It's the odd man out anyway. So if 26 was 21, that's what, 47? We'll see if I'm right in a minute. Okay. $10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Yes, so I can add. Yay me. So $47 in Reno. Not that far behind the rest of them. So all of our envelopes are stuffed for the month of January. I'm very pleased with how far we got. Girl Agnes, I be taking you out, sis. My bad. I'm very pleased with how far we got this month. I'm hoping that we can do the same or better for February so that we can get these funds pumped up, girl. Pumped up. Alright guys, I hope you really enjoyed watching this cash stuffing. I hope that maybe you, if you're saving for your house, this is something you plan on doing as well. Maybe, you know, I thought it was an amazing idea. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great, you have to be grateful, and I'm super duper grateful for you. Faith over fear this year, y'all. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Peace out, and I see you later. Bye!